Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm really looking forward to today's video because I am embarking on a 4-week skincare journey with a really amazing brand that I've worked with in the past. In here is their LED device, which they claim gives you a facelift in 4 weeks. Let's open it up. It comes packaged like this. It says your beauty has no expiration date, which I love because that could not be any more true. And here it is. It's completely sealed. The Eterno red light LED therapy device is inside. The benefits, it's a wrinkle remover and skin smoother. My hand isn't very strong or wide. Okay, so here is the device. It's really nicely packaged. It's pretty large. Oh wow, there's a lot in here. On top is the device. It's not terribly heavy, which is nice. It comes with a cover. This is the glass top, which allows you to get all of the LED treatment directly to your skin. Also in the box, we have a nice little kit with all of the directions and instructions, I'm assuming. Open this up. Ugh, I didn't want to rip it, but I ripped it. Everything you need to know about your LED infrared anti-aging device. It's really nice paper too. I'm gonna read through this later. It basically explains how to set it up, how it works, and what it does to your skin in the short and long term. We also have a cord and what looks like a charging base or station. So if you're wondering what this device even does, it uses red light therapy to reduce fine lines and wrinkles. The same LED lights that Eterno is using are the same LED lights that NASA uses to actually grow plants in outer space. If it's good enough for NASA, it's good enough for me. They are the strongest LEDs on the market. It helps to rebuild collagen and erase years off your face. At the end, I'm gonna give you a full review. See you later, bye.